Dear students, as we are familiar that we are suffering a very crucial time. We are facing a very hard and crucial time of epidemic of coronavirus. In this situation, our school management had decided to give you a better education in this regard. So I have decided to teach you science from here, and I hope you all will listen it very carefully at your home. Stay home, stay home and be safe. For first, as your for your convenience, we have just arranged for net type of education. So let's we have started here from physics of science, and from class 9th. This is class 9th students, and I wish you all the very better future and very good life for you. So we have a start from first chapter of physics. This is the motion chapter. So first introductory class, I would like to define what is science and what about the physics. We have a look. Science, the definition is concerned the systematic knowledge of anything the systematic knowledge of anything process to achieve it by observation, experimentation, and by conclusion is known as science. Science, it is divided in three natural way: natural science and artificial science. Here we have to study about the artificial science, and as for your science, it is, as we talk about the science, we talk about physics, chemistry, and biology. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग इसे ध्यान से देखिए और सारे डिटेल्स जो है अपने अपने कॉपी में नोट करेंगे. During your life cycle, you must wash your hand buy any type of detergent or soap which gives a sufficient amount of झाग, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, साबुन से 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार हर एक 2 घंटे के बाद 1 घंटे के बाद हमेशा हैंड को वॉश करते रहिए। और एक हैंड सैनिटाइज़र का भी उपयोग आप लोग कर सकते हैं। ये हैंड सैनिटाइज़र है और उससे आपको जितने भी वायरसेस होते हैं, पैथोजेंस होते हैं, वो सब मर जाएगा। अब हम लोग साइंस के फिजिक्स पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। फिजिक्स इज द साइंस ऑफ मेजरमेंट। What about the measurement? It is the comparison of one physical quantity with its units. Or it deals with the naturality of nature, अब हम लोग एक चीज जो हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि इट इज़ द कंपैरिजन ऑफ वन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी विद इट्स यूनिट्स। इसका स्पष्ट हो गया कि यूनिट क्या होता है। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, यूनिट ये एक प्रकार से, जैसे आप देख लो, इज द स्टैंडर्ड in which physical quantities as mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, number of mole, number of particles. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः और एक आता है, ये हुआ कैडिला, यूनिट में नंबर ऑफ मोल्स में मोल, और ये हो गया आपको ऑप्टिक्स। अब इस यूनिट को हम लोग दो तरह से डिवाइड करेंगे, फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स और दूसरा डिराइव्ड यूनिट्स। Physics is the science of measurement. And what is measurement? Measurement, it is the comparison of one physical quantity with its units. It deals with the naturality of nature. अब पॉइंट आया कि what is unit? तो unit, it is the standard in which physical quantities are represented. अब ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज क्या क्या है? तो इसमें है मास, लेंथ, टाइम, टेम्परेचर, ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी, मोल, और एक आता है आपको ऑप्टिक्स या मैग्नेटिज्म। अब यूनिट दो तरह के बेटा, फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स और सेकंड डिराइव्ड यूनिट्स। Fundamental units as mass. Mass is represented by kilogram. That is kilogram. Second one, length. That is denoted by meter. Unit it is. Temperature. That is Kelvin. Luminous intensity. That is Candela. Magnetism, Tesla. Mole as the number of particles that is mole, etc. These are the fundamental units. Now we have to change these units in derived unit. Derived units. Derived units can be defined by in three ways. CGS, FPS, MKS. CGS, C stands for centimeter, G stands for centimeter, gram, second. That is length, mass or time. Time, the major one is left here. Time. Final one. FPS, foot, pound, second. MKS, mass, meter, kilogram, second. Once again, fundamental units as the laws of physics is concerned: mass, length, temperature, luminous intensity, magnetism, number of particles and time. These are the 7 in numbers, and we represent mass is represented in kilogram, length in meter, temperature in Kelvin, luminous intensity in Scadilla, magnetism Tesla, number of particles mole, and the time depends. The smallest unit is second. Let's we have another point, derived units. Whatever the derived unit is concerned, centimeter, gram, second, foot, pound, second, and meter, kilogram, second. These are the derived units, and these are taken from the fundamental units. And now once again, some physical quantities are as speed is equal to distance oblique time. Distance means length. Length denoted by a meter, and this one is second. So it can be used as a unit. Meter per second. Okay, now we go deep into the another point what we have to discuss here. In 1960, in Paris of France, there was a convention took place regarding a standard unit. Of physical quantities. That is SI unit, International System of Units. एक ऐसा यूनिट जो पूरी दुनिया में सारे साइंटिस्ट को मान्य हो, उसको हम लोग अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पद्धति भी कहते हैं और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स भी कहा जाता है। उस हिसाब से हम लोग हर एक अलग अलग फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ के या डिराइव्ड यूनिट्स के आधार पर अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज़ के अलग अलग निकालते हैं। जैसे फोर्स बराबर होता है मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड SI unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton. One Newton is equal to 1 kilogram into 1 meter per second square. This is the international system of units. Now we can change it in kilogram as in centigram or centimeter per second square. This is the smaller unit. So I hope you all have understood it very well, and I wish you very happy life. Stay home and be safe. Write down.